across my Bratzies. I'm so excited about this one. I found it at a Walmart like randomly, so I was literally so excited that I found it because I wasn't able to buy them online. So let's go ahead and open it. These, I think I would like any of these top ones. She's so cute. I love her. She doesn't come with her accessories on. You have to put them on her. But that is no problem. I'm gonna put them on her, and then I'll go ahead and show you. So this is her after I put on all her accessories. Putting on her little earrings was really hard, but she looks so cute. I can't wait to put her like on a little brown purse or something. She's so cute. I love her.